an open-air school in village Abirpur of India's Bihar state. Every afternoon, 50 boys and girls gather by the village well. They come armed with paper pencils and big smiles. A few months ago, these children did not attend school. They stayed at home. Then things changed. 4 young girls joined hands with young boys in Abirpur to launch a school for underprivileged children. This is the story of Abirpur's village school and the story of the inspiration behind it.
मैं कविता बोलने जा रही हूँ. हम बोलेंगे, उसके बाद आप लोग बोलिएगा. बस में जिससे हो जाते हैं प्राणी सारे, जन जिससे बन जाते हैं आँखों के तारे,
तरु के पिछले भाग में आपने सुना कि कैसे नई बहू प्रतिभा.
These girls are members of a radio listening group in Abirpur. They are listening to a radio soap opera called Taru. Taru is no ordinary soap opera. Named after its young female protagonist, Taru was designed to entertain and to educate, and also to inspire. Taru was broadcast for 1 year. It ended in February 2003. Members of the Taru Listening Club in Abirpur got together each Sunday. They listened to the soap, discussed and debated its contents, and were inspired to take certain actions. In the soap opera, the character of Taru fights social injustices. She fights against dowry. She fights for gender equality. She even fights to promote caste and communal harmony. One of Taru's friends in the radio serial is Neha. In the soap opera, Taru encourages Neha to start a school for underprivileged children. Taru and Neha's actions inspired these young girls of Abirpur. If Taru could fight for social justice, and if Neha could start a school, and that too in the radio drama, why couldn't they in real life?
Neha talked of teaching untouchables. We really liked the idea, and we talked among ourselves. There are many girls in the village who are not able to go to school, either because they work at home or because they are very poor. So we thought that they could come here to study. The boys went from home to home to convince parents to send their children to our school. From that day onwards, children began coming to the school.
तो हम लोग आपस में एक रोज बैठ के विचार विमर्श किए कि जो इसमें नेहा जो है.
One day we had a discussion among members of the listeners group about characters from Taru. Neha starts a school, and other characters like Aloni Baba preach that there be no discrimination between boys and girls. Thus, a desire was born in us that we should also do something for the people of Abirpur.
ये हो कि वो लोग समझे कि कुछ कर रहा है और हमें भी कुछ प्राप्त हो.
तारू सुनने के पहले हम कोई सीरियल पर या धारावाहिक के टीवी पर देखते.
Before listening to Taru, I used to watch TV programs just for fun. I did not pay much attention to its message. After listening to Taru, whenever I watch a TV serial, I always think about its content and discuss it with my friends.
कोई भी सीरियल देखती हूँ या फिल्म देखती हूँ, धारावाहिक देखती हूँ या सुनती हूँ, उस पे बाद में चाहे उस समय भी सोचते हैं कि इसमें अच्छाई क्या था, बुराई क्या था, चाहे दूसरा को बताते हैं कि इसमें ये अच्छाई थी.
Now, my behavior with my family members has improved. I don't talk in a loud voice. I used to do it all the time before.
कभी नहीं बोलते हैं, पहले बहुत बोलते थे.
Before listening to Taru, I used to stay away from books. But now, I read whatever books my father and mother get for me. I read them whenever I get time from household work, and sometimes even go to sleep while reading.
मेरे पापा हैं।
If my father had his way, he will keep us bound to home. But we are mobile because of my mother. When my father restricts us, my mother intervenes and tells him that if he stops us from doing things, how will we progress?
यही तो है, बच्चा सब आगे बढ़ेगा कैसे?
अच्छा ये बताइए कि ये जो है
You and your daughter listen to Taru.
ये आपकी बेटियां भी
What are your reactions to the program?
और आप भी सुनते हो, तो आपको कैसा लगता है ये?
वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
I really like Taru. We have changed a lot after listening to it. Earlier, I used to be very rigid, but now I am open-minded. Now I do not rule over my daughters. I feel girls can progress like boys. We used to control our girls. We used to say, don't go out, don't talk to others, not even openly with their elder brother. After listening to Taru, I have given my girls all the freedom.
Someone in our village was going to marry off his daughter. I told him, you are committing a crime by marrying her so early. You better listen, or we can send you to jail. He said his girl was like a mountain, and by getting her married, the weight over his head would be lighter. I told him, you should send her to school and marry her after that. He replied, I am a poor person and cannot send her to school. I informed him that there are many schemes for poor children to go to school. He did not fully agree with me, but postponed the wedding by a year.
गरीब योजना चला हुआ है, गरीब बच्चे लोग को पढ़ाने वाले, उसमें पढ़ाइए, तो नहीं इतना माने, फिर भी बोले कि ठीक है आप भी नहीं परेशान करेंगे, लेकिन वो शादी अपने बेटी को रोक दी।
अरे हाँ।
So you see, listening to Taru has given me the respect in the village. Earlier, I did not go anywhere in my village. Now I can convince people.
इस गांव में कहूँ नहीं जाती थी, वहाँ पे गई, इतना सारी बात बोली।
मैं तो अभी पढ़ रही हूँ, अभी चाह रही हूँ कि अभी खूब और
I'm still studying. I want to become a doctor.
पढ़ने के बाद पढ़ के और कुछ नहीं, लेकिन डॉक्टर बनूंगी। जैसे हम अपने परिवार का देखते हैं माहौल, जैसा हमारा माहौल है उस तरह से तब सोचती हूँ तब।
Sometimes I think it's not possible, but after listening to Taru, I think it is.
सुनते हैं तो हमको थोड़ा सा अंदर होता है कि नहीं बन सकते हैं।
बच्चों, आज कौन दिन है याद है?
शनिवार।
आज क्या चीज का दिन है?
गीत गाने के लिए।
ठीक है, अनीता कुमारी एक गाना गाएगी, गाओ।
मेरा नाम है अनीता कुमार, मैं 5 क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ। आप लोग के सामने एक भक्ति गीत सुनाने जा रही हूँ। माँ बाप से बढ़कर जग में कोई दूजा नहीं खजाना, जिसने तुझे जन्म दिया है, दिल उनका नहीं दुखाना, दिल उनका नहीं दुखाना।
Sometimes I think, what will happen if Taru ends? But then, I think we will have to look for another Taru, because Taru is like a teacher to us.
If Taru hadn't come, we would have continued to live in darkness. There would have been no light. Now, because of Taru and you people, at least some of the darkness has disappeared.
थोड़ा तो अंधेरा दूर हुआ है।
बड़ी सी टाइम पहन रखी है।